Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open a browser and go to 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1 to access the router. Use a wired connection to the router if the web portal does not load properly. Log in with the admin username and password printed on your Worldlink device or use saved credentials. If you changed credentials, select password recovery or reset the device physically for default access. Keep in mind resetting will erase all customs. Navigate to wireless or guest network settings to find the QR code option on your router. Check captive portal, welcome page, or SSID management to locate the QR code feature. Identify whether the QR code is generated for a guest SSID or the main Wi-Fi network. Open the relevant configuration panel and review the QR or print QR button and hotspot information. Note the SSID, encryption type, and password shown on the QR preview before making changes. Disable the guest SSID or captive portal option to stop generating the QR code immediately. Alternatively, change SSID visibility to hidden or update the Wi-Fi password to invalidate existing QR codes. Save settings and reboot the router to apply changes across all access points. If settings are locked by firmware or ISP, perform a factory reset as a last resort after backing up configuration. After reset, reconfigure your network securely and replace any physical stickers that displayed QR codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.